Hey guys, Chris.McAndrews here with Guaranty RV. Just wanted to show you guys our 2019 Eclipse Attitude 28 SAG. Come on inside and we'll take a look. That's a single sink with a quartz top, large microwave, 3-burner stove, and an oven. And then back over here in the living area, you have the fold-down couch that will also fold flat for a bed. Then over here you have the 2 couches that drop down and can also be used as a bunk, and then the bunk above them, and with the entry ramp in the back there. Also with these, you have a very large amount of storage all the way around. And then the two seats here with a table. And then on the opposite side here, storage again all the way around, all above the dinette. Come on up here. Nice size fridge. And freezer with the television above, so it's easy to view from the living area. Follow me up into the bedroom area. Inside here we have the Jack and Jill doors. Nice thing about these, you have entry from both sides, from the living area and from the bedroom. Nice size walk-in shower and a very cool sink setup in these. And then your fan here above. And then over into here, the living area. Very large amount of room on both sides of the bed, with your closets on either side. Storage underneath for all of your duffel bags, and then also a very large amount of storage on the other side, with power outlets on both sides. Around the back here, we have the very easy access for the ramp. And this is all very light, easily done with one person. And all you have to do is remove these cables, and this will fold down for your entry of all your toys. Alright, and then right here you have your roof access ladder, your exterior fuel pump, so you can fuel up all your toys, a utility shower for exterior showering, hot water heater, and as you can see here, a very large amount of basement storage, and your battery disconnect switch, easily accessed through here. And then right here will be your generator. Cool. And again, thank you guys for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews with Guaranty. This is the 2019 Attitude 28 SAG. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call or shoot me a text. 541-731-8583.